gonna record this too. Hey, hello? Hello? Okay, I'm live now. So, today we're gonna be playing some Hypixal skyblock as normal. The Dark SMP was only a one-time thing, I think. I might stream it more often, I don't know. Hang on. I wanted to make sure I'm streaming. Hang on. Yeah, I'm streaming. Okay, I'm live. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Sorry, I'm just talking to someone. So it works. Do I need to create a new Twitch account on here? Alright, okay. That's alright, I can do that. Okay, yeah, my sound does sound pretty good. Hang on, I'll be right back in a second. Hey, yo. Oh god, ow. Hey, yo, am I here or not? Yeah, I am. Okay. What jerk? Anyway. Hi, Marv. So I'm just talking like guinea pig. Let's go to my island real quick. Here's my skyblock island. It's completely useless. Other than the fact that it's generating free diamonds. As you can see, I'm pretty OP with all my fierce armor. I don't think you can get godly armor anymore, sadly. Oh god! Whatever. And these are, these are grand. I did spend 100k on them. How much do I have in the bank already? Wow, okay, I'm pretty rich, I would say. I don't have any orders, okay. Hey, let's put this order up. Quick 1,000 coins, no. Oh, I can't even go that way. Oh. Why did I put it up at 1,000,000? What was the... Those cost 4,000 each, and I just wasted one. That man now has 100... Oh my god, okay, I forgot. What armor do you have, sir? Spear dragon. Strong dragon, okay. I guess we're just gonna grind EXP. Oh crap. Okay, I'm back. What guy, does this guy have mushroom armor? No, he has water protection. Fishing is such a useless skill. Never level up fishing, it takes ages and it's almost useless. Unless you want to, it's up to you. Wait, if I hit tab, will it tab me out? Oh, I actually went to my island, hang on. So today, chat, we're going to, how many viewers do I have? I'm pulling one average viewer. Is that myself? Yeah, that's myself. Hey, we all started doing it. Don't die. But now I'm just gonna slowly gain combat XP. Oh my god. Oh no! And didn't even hurt me. And one shot. You were supposed to be a one shot. How did I one shot you? Do I got you 4,000 damage as a crit? Oh. Oh, we gotta buy some hot potato books. I'm not wasting my 1,000,000 coins on a hot potato book. Anyone doing drag guns? Oh, I misspelled dragons. Or did I? No, I asked 2 O's in it, right? Dragons? No, one O, yeah. Okay, and this lobby is completely useless to me. See, I'm just trying to get charged for random dragons. Why was I so OP? I wish I had that many hearts. Hang on, where is it? Oh, wait. I forgot what I used to teleport for a second. See, people can kill by zealots. I'm acting like a... Also, what's that item on there? Please don't just be a stack of useless enderpearls. It was probably a stack of useless enderpearls. Does that man have a rat pet? I have a rat pet and it's pretty high level. Anyone doing dragons? I really cannot spell that word. Hang on. Let me spell check myself. Hang on, it's just the same lobby as before. No. On the gate to fall damage! Woohoo! Why are there so many? Oh my god. What was that? Oh, someone bought my ender first. Why is Type Deal everywhere? I mean, he is the skyblock king, I guess. I used to watch him. I used to watch Tommy in it when he played skyblock. They've been following him since May of 2020. He's a pretty good streamer, actually. Hang on, was I spelling dragons right? Yeah, that looks right to me, okay. The other way I must have been spelling it was wrong. That's so embarrassing. I didn't even ask the question, I just said dragons? How does that man do it? What sword does he own? Oh, you are a runic zealot. Or Zila. Or, I hate when people say it like that. 1.5 mil for enders. That's not very good. Join 101. A mil for that. Really? Remnant of the eye. Or, yeah. 200k, really? Wow, that's a lot. 10k for that? For that garbage? Really? Remember when, I don't know if it's just me, but I used ender pearls this race when I wasn't even allowed to. Oh my god, I almost used my potion. Hang on, wait, maybe I should switch into my magma armor for this one. Magma? Yeah, I do. Because I can run a bit faster when I have it on. I have it equipped just for health outside the end because it's a better set than the end set outside the end. Take off. Wow, okay, now I can actually teleport like nothing. Okay, Goober, I think I can beat you in 80 seconds. That's a minute and 20 seconds. Oh god, I gotta get there fast then. Oh my god, no, 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 no. What happened? Oh, come on. Goober, Goober, I call hacks, Goober. Goober, I call hacks, Goober, I call hacks. No, no, you can't say that. Goober isn't even real, he's just an NPC. I can probably win this in 2 minutes. Wait. Oh god, they changed it to 80 seconds? What? Oh, I'm not gonna finish then. I would have to finish it in 20 seconds. Yeah, I would have to click like insane. I should have got Wise on my magma. I had Wise, but I threw it to get Fierce. I don't even have a full set of Fierce. I have a Titanic one still. That enchantment's apparently useless. I don't know why, but I only got magma armor for the health. Yeah, I did. I only got magma armor for the health, and I didn't care about defense, which is a really dumb way of looking at armor. Because isn't it supposed to protect you instead of just making you extra healthy? I hate this turn. Hey. Hey, oh my god. What? Okay, my game is lagging out. Clear my ping. It's really bad. Come on. Goober. Goober. Why? Also, yeah, I have archery potions. Don't judge. Oh god! Okay, never mind, I'm safe. Never mind, I'm not safe. Let's go into the skyblock lobby. Just random paper. Why does it... I'm not even gonna question. Wait, what? Oh god, no, I want to see what weapon you have. A dungeon's weapon. Now remember the first time I ever did a dungeon? Yeah, me too, it was a mess, wasn't it? What? Oh, okay. Sorry, I have animals and they are my pets. And they make a lot of noise. My mom left me at a football game because she thought I was going home. I feel so bad. I should have read that chat message earlier. Hey, if you're still here, if you have money, call Uber. I don't know. If your phone is dead, which I don't know how it would be. If you're in the chat, maybe you shouldn't be in some random kid's Twitch chat right now. Maybe you should be like on the phone with your mom. Rejuvenation. Wait. Is that actually a good enchantment? Hang on, did I just pick up a random good enchantment one? But I'm sorry for you, man. Hope you're okay. Oh, that's me when anything bad happens to someone. Oh, I hope you're okay. I am okay. Okay, cool. So yeah, go somewhere else. Please. That would be a preferable thing to do. So now I regenerate faster. Alright. Well, if anyone is here, you should drop a follow because I'm streaming every day. And Let's go to lobby 1 and mess around. No one's in lobby 1. Go to lobby 2 and mess around. What? What? Okay. That's completely acceptable. And my phone right here. I normally play music on it. Does my screen look extremely tiny to you? No. No, it doesn't. Okay. Sorry, I was just watching my stream. Oh god, my phone fell. Okay, it's alright. It fell into my lap. So, hang on. I gotta claim my money. Give me my money. Come on, Mr. Bazaar. How bizarre. How bizarre. How bizarre. I can get you copyright claim for singing. Wow, 1,000,000 coins. Imagine what Time Deal's thinking right now. I think I'm gonna save up for the 50 mil Midas sword. I'm 1/50th of the way there, you know? I just have to get lucky 50 times, you know? This is so stupid. People does not like this one. This is my favorite one. Hey, I leveled up an Hypixal. Cool. It's time to make... You see how I make money. Sure. Sure. What kind of sword are you using? How? Sure. You are being an idiot. What did I get from that? Oh god, don't pick it up! Ah, stupid. I really need to throw all this junk away. Who even uses obsidian minions? Actually, I can't say that I used an obsidian minion once. I literally cannot say that. What did I get from that? I'm looking to get, cause I got like a fist. Hang on. End stone. Shiny blocks. And sorry, I had to mute. Hypixal, skyblock. Glowing block, yeah. All of the drops, okay. Yeah, I got shrimp the fish. Yeah, it was a special item. I actually sold it for 1.5 on the auction house. Oh crap, I closed the other choice. Am I still live? Yeah, I am. Okay, it works. So, I guess we're looking to get shrimp the fish. I mined a random one and I got it. Apparently it's like the rarest drop, I think it said on the wiki. I said that word earlier. The Wikipedia page. I have zero idea though with the Wikipedia page. I don't know if it's lying or if it's just faulty. Or if I'm just really lucky. What did I get out of that? I got this. It took me like 20 seconds to process what I got out of that. I want my new microphone actually, because it's really, really good. Hang on, I think I might be a little too quiet. Actually, no. Oh, okay. That's interesting. Nice to hear. Oh, really? Hey Marv. Hey. Sorry, my guinea pigs are being really loud right now. I'm gonna feed them in like literally 2 seconds. Also, that guy who was in chat earlier isn't watching anymore, but still, that sucks. Go and like, I don't know, call someone. Say like, hey, start on a football game. They might be like, wait, what? You might be like, yeah. And then just explain, and then they'll be like, oh, okay. And then they'll be like, hey, Marv, please calm down. Sorry, my guinea pigs are... I fed them 2 minutes ago. It's just that they all want to have playtime with me. And normally I would playtime with them at this time, but they're... One of them is sleeping right now, because I have 4 of them. One of them is taking a nap. Oh. I got an undermine. Oh my god, I'm not gonna... I died to an endermite! I'm done. No, I'm done. I'm done. Someone please or something high. We're doing dragons, boys. If I get 200k, I can... I don't think it works like that. Oh my god, no. How rare is this drop? People are placing them like wildfire. Okay, I gotta get down there. Wait, do I have my good armor on? Okay. I don't really think another's place. I don't have enough coins. I only have 1.1 mil. Well. No! Someone unplaced them all. What kind of armor do these people have? Hardened diamond. What does that even do? It doesn't seem very good. Compared to my really... No. Okay, then you have a very, very rare item. Huh. Actually, yeah, that was a really, really good deal. I just dumped a lot of my garbage on the dude. Go to the portal hub. I'm ready to go again. That's the spider's den. That's not where I need to go. I don't like any pictures from that stuff. Hang on, I'm muting real quick. Alright, me back. Man, my stream lag on my phone is terrible. I just threw a post in that dude. Wow, I'm back. We are going until we get this fish. And then maybe a few more. Oh, you don't like me? That's fine. I have no viewers, but that's alright. Because that's what you gotta do. So, K-pop. No, please. How did I get out of that? A vivid bow? I have an unreal bow. I think that might be the best. I think I might have the best bow in the game, honestly. What did I get? Why does it keep disappearing before I fully mine it? Wait, that one right there. Whoa, people are placing. Hey, kill me real quick, please. Kill me. Thank you. No! No. We can't have a dragon happen right now. Aspect of the snake. That should be real. Oh, I'm campaigning aspect of the snake. We already have aspect of the Jerry, aspect of the dragons, aspect of the... Wait, is it real? Wait, is there actually aspect of the... No, that gotta be fake. We are only one away. Two away. I just... What? The XP I just got. Okay, you know what? I keep on messing up. Let's drink a archery potion when I'm able to. Because I want to be able to get a dragon thing today. Oh god, I got my phone down, crap. A place when a bell to this. One summoning eye is got to go. Oh no. No! I'm angry. I'm really angry. I'm angry. Did I spell it right? What's killing me? Oh god. Okay, I don't care. Alright, rude. I'm leaving this lobby. Whoa, I've never been to this one. It's never actually been open. Hey! No. Hey, can you get a DMZA spike for singing? Wait, didn't Ubersit get like a DMCA for singing his own song on stream? Yeah. And then it was like a big dispute. I don't know if that was the actual thing. Maybe I just made that up or maybe I heard it. The news can be awfully strange. Or just like news websites. Because I followed one of those news websites a while ago. They're really bad. They're boring. really boring. Like, so I would just, I do sit and watch videos, to be honest, sometimes. That's not what we're signing, dang it. Oh my god, all of these mana potions, they're so good, but they're useless to me now. I know they can't stack, but still, I want to drink them all. There we go. You can sell them for about... No, you can't. So, yeah. So, yeah. There we go. Oh, God. Hey, did my mic echo there? I think it might have. And my voice just died. Oh, crap. Oh, God. No! No, 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 no. Die. Die. I can two-shot. Wait, can I two-shot zealots? That means. And I just took, like, 300 torture damage. Wait, is it lower you go, the better the loot? What did that even give me? More of this crap again, really? I don't want to waste them, because then someone's gonna steal them and they're gonna actually, like, sell them on the auction house and, like, oh, new exploit. Did that just give me money? Now that one was actually just free money. Wait, you can make upwards to 10k from this? No. Surely not. You surely cannot make 10k from one. So that's not on the wiki, apparently. Yeah, okay, that's neat. Wow, okay. I really need to get a camera, but I know cameras are expensive. My microphone was pretty expensive, though. I'm never doing it again. That probably freaked whoever was on my stream out. There's been one viewer sitting here the whole time who's watching my stream. Wait. Wait, does it count? Oh, that's stupid. So it's just me. I'm just... Oh, whatever. That doesn't mean I'm gonna stop. I'm still gonna do it. Someone's gonna eventually follow me. I had 10 followers today. I was killed by a zealot. No, I wasn't. That man just went. I'm not going to say that. Never mind. I'm retracting that statement. That man just went very, very near me. What was that? Feel a tremor in the earth. You were right. Oh, you're really alright. Seriously, what's going on there? Wait, no. I don't want your garbage. What's killing me? These stupid... They're so annoying. I just wanna... Oh my god, I can't one-shot zealots, so I'm basically dead. Let me find like a dead lobby. Jeez, I'm gaming. I'm gaming like a true gamer. I'm a true gamer. I'm never saying that in my life again. That was so lame. Die. Rude. Die. Die. Where am I? Oh, die. Where'd you go? Oh my god, I'm getting killed by... There's 100 to teleport. No. How are there so many here? I despawned my Enderman to activate my rat pet. Does my rat pet give me an extra heart? And now if I go to here and I... No, it doesn't. It does, it helps a little bit. Wow, okay, I'm really close to leveling up. Can one more kill get me there actually? Wow. Yeah, one more kill got me there. This man have full leveled up. I don't have a full leveled up Raiders. I can do that. He has Titan Killer. I do not have Titan Killer. He's way better than me. That sucks. Oh crap, my mic was just muted for a second. I think, or is it just being laggy? Okay, is it working now? Okay, I was just messing with some settings. Okay. Ooh. And gonna give me some of that. Gonna give me some of that. Gonna. Oh, hey, I'm not the only person in my stream. Hey, if you're in my stream right now, I'm gonna be going live every single day, or sometimes every single day, depending on if I have extra homework that week or something. Well, school's gonna end soon, and I'm gonna be in the pool a lot, so I might stream because of that. But please follow me. I know that sounds really bad, but listen, I stream a lot. This is like my 17th stream. Also, one of my YouTube channels is Michaelthemicrowave VODs. Capital VODS. There's anything uploaded to it yet, only a picture of my guinea pig. So, if you want to see that, I guess you can see that. But yeah, it would be much appreciated if you did a follow, because I have 13 followers. No, I have 10, okay. But I'm trying to get to 50 by the end of 2021. That's not gonna happen. But I'm trying to get to 50. That's all you need to know. I just want 50, because that's where you can get affiliate, meaning that you can log emotes, meaning that I could go to chat, being like, hey, spam my own emotes. I can watch Tubbo. I can be peaceful. I watch Tubbo and Tommy and they're good. They're good. I like people with a British accent. I'm American, by the way. Hey, if anyone's in chat, if you want to talk, you can. It's all up to you. Or if you're a computer bot, that's okay too. Okay, person. Fuck. He just said flex. how do you get golem armor? And also, that's kind of good. That's 150. Oh, wait. Outside the end, that's better than a golem armor, even outside the end. Aye, aye, Captain. I can't hear you. SpongeBob SquarePants. Please don't. Nope, nothing good yet. Hey, people in chat, I stream quite a lot right now. And I'm noticing that there's 2 other people here. So really, if you want to, please follow me if you want to. It's up to you. I know that sounds really, really bad asking. But I stream quite a lot, actually. For my age and my entire thing. I watch a lot of Twitch streamers, alright? But when I'm not, I'm playing on my PC, doing schoolwork, or I'm streaming. That's all I do. Or I'm playing with my guinea pigs. I have 4 of them. Oh god! Crap, okay. I might stream Slime Rancher as that's a smaller category game. I don't want to get famous off Slime Rancher. I want to get famous off Skyblock. I am noticing that the first guy did leave. That's alright. But the other person who's probably still on my stream, drop a follow. You know what? You're gonna like where this is gonna go. I might stream tomorrow. I might. Please do not take that as a yes. I might be busy at this time. Actually, yeah, tomorrow I can't. I'm gonna be extremely busy. But maybe Sunday. No. Monday I might have to do school stuff. Or I am gonna have to do school stuff. Obviously. But maybe when I'm done with all my homework, I'll stream again. Hey, it's me and the other person. Please, like, stream. Please, put your stuff in chat, obviously. By that, I mean, if you want to, you can type in chat. And I've been looking at this block for too long. If you want to, you can put in chat some stuff. I might respond, depending on how, my phone's at 100 right now, so I'll probably respond, because my phone is gonna die anytime soon. Also, I've been streaming for like an hour, I think. No, I'm not gonna give you my coins. I don't have any money to spare. I have $1 million in the bank. So I just 80K. I don't know if that's worth it or if that's not worth it. I might have to look it up. How many do I have? Okay, some trading's going on there. Useless. Don't need it. Well done. Wait, how much you have? Well done. I have 2. Come on, man. You can only make 160K off that. At least you're going to fully commit to it, grind for 8 hours, celebrate the New Year's cake for 1.2 mil, and then get jumped by an Enderman and lose it all. Now, I had 100K on me once and I got killed by an Enderman and I... What did you say? It wasn't a fun time after that one. Ah! Oh hey, another person joined my stream. It says I only have 1 viewer. I actually have 3 apparently. I play Minecraft. Yeah, that's what I do. I play Minecraft a lot. Die. Die. I don't know how all these people are playing my streams. Maybe they're just going to least popular and then just clicking on it. That's probably what they're doing. So yeah, I'm doing pretty good right now. This is my other voice, by the way. I do have a pretty deep voice, honestly. Oh god, okay, well. Please kill me. Endstone protector. I wanna kill it real quick. How did I take that much damage? Poop butt. Hey. Never. Oh! He got triggered $1. Wait, he's never under Zealots killed. Oh, Zealots. Sorry. I'm watching a little too much Dirty Virus. Okay, hang on. Oh god, you guys weren't gonna be able to see my stream real quick. Yeah, I think I'm gonna end it here. Have a good, amazing day. Meow.